The Yunque rainforest, meanwhile, dominates the eastern horizon. It's the only tropical forest in the United States forest system and has hiking trails that lead to hidden waterfalls and incredible viewpoints. Then there are also the beaches of Culebra, particularly Flamenco Beach, which attract tourists from around the world, with their immaculate white sand and clear emerald waters. The beaches of Vieques finally glow at night thanks to millions of microscopic organisms that create the bioluminescent bay phenomenon.